Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off dark mode on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you sit in front of a computer for much one day, your eyes are going to take a hit. The bright light of the screen is taxing on your eyes, especially later in the day when it gets dark. That's why dark mode is such a big thing for many people. It also helps them make battery last longer. And let's be honest, it just looks really cool. If you are fed up with the plain white uninspiring look or you want to give yourself better night's sleep, then you can just change your MacBook into a dark mode. You can see on my previous video, I've shown you how to turn on the dark mode. But now, what if you want to change to light mode? So simple, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. You can click on General. Here, so you can choose from dark to light. So now your MacBook will be back to light mode. Or you can choose automatically adjust the appearance of buttons, menus, and windows throughout the day. I will just choose on light. So now all my appearance on my MacBook, my buttons and menu change into light. So simple, right? So that is how to turn off dark mode on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.